Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. X square positive y square positive 10x negative 16y equals to p. The equation about defines a circle in the xy plane and p is a constant. If the area of the circle is 81 pi, what is the value of p? Okay, before we start solving this problem, let's understand some stuff about the equation for circle in general form. Okay, now let me write the equation for circle in general form. That is x square positive y square positive 2gx positive 2fy positive c equals to 0. This is the equation for circle in general form. When we have the equation for circle in general form, there is a formula to get the radius of the circle. So the formula to get the radius of the circle is a square root of g square positive f square negative c. Okay, here we can get the values of this g and f from the coefficients of x and y, and here we can get the value of c from the constant term. Okay, when I consider the given equation circle, it's almost in general form, but here we have 0 on the right side, but here we have p. So let's make the right side 0. For that, we have to subtract p from both sides of this equation. Then I'm getting x square positive y square positive 10x negative 16y negative p equals to 0. Now the given equation of circle is in general form. Okay, now my aim is to get the values of g, f and c. Okay, here to get the value of g, we have to consider the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2g. Okay, now let me write it. Okay, here the coefficient of x is 10, so 2g equals to 10. Here the coefficient of y is 2f, and here the coefficient of y is a negative 16. That is 2f equals to negative 16. Here the constant term is c. Here the constant term is negative p. Now we can divide both sides of this equation by 2 to get the value of g. Okay, let me do it. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting g on the left side. On the right side, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's do the same thing over here. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting f on the left side. On the right side, negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Okay, here I got the values for g, f and c. Now let's find radius for the given circle. Then we can use the formula over here. That is square root of g square positive f square negative c r equals to, we can plug in the values. For g we can plug in 5, that is 5 square, and for f we can plug in negative 8, then we get negative 8 the whole square. Negative, the value of c is negative p, we can plug in negative p for c over here. Okay, let me do it. Then we get r equals to square root of 5 square is 25, and the value of negative 8 the whole square is 64. Here negative times negative is positive p. Okay, here r equals to square root of, when I combine this 25 and 64, I'm getting 89 positive p. Okay, here I got the radius of the given circle. Okay, now what we can do is we can find the area of the given circle. That is the area of the given circle is we can use a formula, that is pi r square. Okay, here pi times, and we have the radius r, that is square root of 89 positive p. We can plug in this stuff for r over here. Then I'm getting square root of 89 positive p the whole square. Okay, here the square root and square root cancel out, then I'm getting pi times 89 positive p. Okay, here I got the area of the given circle, that is pi times 89 positive p. Already we have area for the given circle, that is 81 pi. So this 81 pi and this pi times 89 positive p, both of them represent the same stuff, that is the area of the given circle. So we can equate them, that is pi times 89 positive p equals to 81 pi. Okay, now we can divide both sides of this equation by pi. When I do so, this pi will cancel out. Here also the same thing, and we get 89 positive p equals to 81. Okay, now let me subtract 89 from both sides of this equation. This positive 89, negative 89 will cancel out. I'm getting p on the left side. On the right side, when I combine positive 81 and negative 89, I am getting negative 8. Okay, here I got the value of the constant p, that is negative 8. We find this negative 8 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.